Hi everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. Sorry about the audio if it's not of good quality. I just wanted to show you a metric that I'm using and have used since day one when it comes to crypto. I've built a volume weighted average. If you go into my database here in the Redis, let me just get you the latest info. What I've got here is I have crypto risk. It's basically a volume value price move of an hour on these four coins: Bitcoin US, Bitcoin Cash US, LTC US, and Ethereum US. I could also add probably XRP as well, which I might do. And that will give you an overall average of the market direction among those big four because they seem to be all correlated pretty well. And you can see it's negative right now. I also have the ability to log these on an hourly basis. The reason I do this, as you can see here, being Sunday, March 15th at 1:09 p.m., you can see here the average, the timestamp of that average, and you can identify when the market has gone somewhat positive and how positive it is, as right here. That right there that I just highlighted is a positive uptrend. Doesn't last very long, but you can identify potentially when it's right to trade, because you'll always hear risk on, risk off. This is my own interpretation in the crypto world. Obviously, I'm kind of, because depending upon the bear market, it's so severe, it rarely gets over 0.5%. So here, the highest it gets up to is 0.1%. And as you go farther up, the last time it went over 0.5% is maybe 2 days ago. So if you're willing to trade in a weaker market with a lower weighted average, the problem is that you'll probably take on more losses. So the question to yourself is, are you willing to do that? And it's all experimental. But I just want to show you this as a very solid metric that can work because the higher your volume weighted average of those four coins, the higher likelihood you'll have better chances of getting profitable positions. So I've put those together. If you want to learn more about that, what you can do is I have my Python course, which walks you through all the major components that are available. Let me just, there we go. It's a course that will walk you through all the different components, which is right here. Python algo trading, infrastructure with cryptocurrency, and that's going to walk you through all the different components of what will make a bot run. I also have on my website, quantlabs.net/DVD, that will give you potentially, well, not potentially, but it'll walk you through a primitive trading bot using Python as well. It even gives you a sample source code. It's right here. This is just a template or pseudocode. And there's a presentation there as well. It's very cheap. Just so you know, this listing is going to go up to on Amazon, and I'll be doubling the price of this to make up for it. So I'll match here this price as well. It's only $10 right now, but it'll go up probably in the next day or so to 19. And that's pretty well it that I want to show you. That the risk on metric can be very useful. And it's just now all more experimentation on when you want to trade or not using this metric. So I thought I'd put that together for you. Talk to you later.